Today I'll be changing out my upper control arm uniball joints. The process is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll be popping in to clarify some of the things I'm doing throughout the video. The Uniball replacement kits come with new snap rings, but I got mine off cleanly and decided to reuse them. That way I could save the new snap rings for if I needed them in the future. So there's a few ways you can get the uniballs out. You can use a press or a ball joint removal kit. I'm using a uniball removal kit from Total Chaos. Just makes things really easy. You can pull it off while it's still on the truck. All you need is a couple wrenches. Just make sure you clean up the arm really well. You don't want any debris in there that'll block the new uniball from going in. And pay special attention to the groove for the snap ring. You want to make sure that's nice and clear so the snap ring can pop into place easily. So I like to use a really thin layer of anti-seize inside the arm. It just helps keep the uniball from binding up inside there. Makes it easier to pull out next time. Just make sure it's a really, really thin layer. Installing the new uniball is basically the reverse of taking it out. You're going to be driving it in obviously from the opposite side, and you just flip the cups so the catch is on top this time and press is on the bottom. When you're pressing it in, just make sure you don't feel any real tension. It should go in pretty easily. If you're feeling a lot of tension, you probably have your uniball slightly askew. You want to pull it out and start again. Just double check and make sure you can see the full groove for the snap ring. That means you have the uniball all the way in. The key to keeping these things lasting a long time is keeping them clean and dry as possible. Once you have them cleaned and dried up, hit them with a PTFE dry lube. That's gonna lubricate the Teflon inside and keep things moving without causing stuff to stick inside the Uniball. And that's it, pretty much all done. Put your tire back on, drop it down, go for a drive to get that lube circulating inside the Uniball, and you should be good to go. My last ones lasted over 10 years, so hopefully I'll get the same longevity out of these.